Okay, so this is the let's say this is version 3, and I got this big fan here that's blowing on the parts. Um, and I added this little guy. It's a probe that you put it down and it can sense the position and you put it back up. And for auto leveling, you just put it down. It does the measurement for the bed, and when it goes up, then you don't have to, then you don't deal with it until the next time that you actually realize, okay, the bed is out of level again, which you would put it down and do the measurements. It's fairly good. Um, what else we have? So we have the nozzles that are fixed. So extruder 1, extruder 2. And the problem with it is that it's really difficult to get both nozzles in the same level. Then I have for Z-axis, I have a screw, double nut and tightened with a lock nut washer, so it works as a spring and kind of tightens both nuts to get zero backlash. It does work well. But if you're doing auto leveling, I strongly suggest to change this with the ball screw, because in auto leveling, if the bed is tilted, then when it moves from point A to point B, it also changes the height of the bed. Rest of it is fixed. Now I did change this guy with plastic parts. Before it was all metal, all aluminum. Now it has a plastic housing, and it's actually better. So it's lighter, and the main parts are still aluminum, so it won't wear. But it also aligns very well because there's no gap between that rotating gear that extrudes the filament. And so this is good. This is really good. The good point with fixed extruders versus the ones that move up and down is that it's very solid, so you get a little bit better quality in the parts, but the bad thing is that it's not as reliable. And if you want to do dual extrusion, you kind of have to have nozzle lift. But yeah, if you're using single prints, then fixed extruder, fixed nozzles work as well. Okay, the fan underneath is just a smaller fan. Now I've replaced it in the version 4. And what else? So this is polycarbonate. You could print on this. Kind of difficult to work with it. And I have this aluminum sheet, so the best is you just print directly on this. But if you want to print larger parts, then there's an upgrade here as well that you could use. Also, yeah, so this is fixed. The head moves all the way here, and that optical encoder here that's working as an end stop. It's not very accurate. It with the daylight, it could change it a little bit by maybe 0.2, 0.3 millimeter. So you can also print a cover for that and place it on the optical optical end stop. That's pretty much it. Thank you.